Okay, screen test. Test, test, test. Light. Camera. Action. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. Hello, it's me again. I just want to make this short video again, like I've done for the previous videos, just to show how I've got my equipment set up here. Start over here. As before, the camera, which is my Samsung S20 FE smartphone. Got that on this smartphone holder here. It's on this quick release mount, which is a lever that pulls outwards and this whole plate just lifts off. This time I've kept the tripod off the table. Previously I had it on the table, which gave me a little bit issue with trying to get this height down low. So I had to do something weird with moving this center section out and putting it in horizontally. So I've got it on the floor. Legs are adjusted so that the camera on top of this mount is pointing at head height, so my head's sort of there. As before, got the USB microphone receiver here, and as before, microphone is just clipped onto my jumper there. Going around the other side of the table where I was sitting. So this is where I was sat, so camera's here. In the background you can see an arcade machine here. That's a project that I had running in 2013. I did take lots of photos of that. So if people are interested, stick a comment in. I'll create a video how I created it. I did buy the cabinet itself, which was flat packed. Everything else, including the design, the layout, I did myself, and all the hardware I bought myself, integrated it myself. So that would be a video I can create if people are interested. Just let me know. So back to this topic. So laptop really wasn't used in this. I did use my iPad here. I'll put in the video description the equipment. Can't remember exactly which iPad this is. It's quite an old one. I did spend a lot of money at the time to try and get the iPad, which had lots of memory. So this iPad's got like 256 gig. The reason it's got that, I use this app called LumaFusion for editing the videos. I find the workflow on it really easy to use. It takes quite a lot of time to learn it, but once it's learned, it's really quick to edit. So I'll make a future video about LumaFusion and the use of that. So yeah, that's what I was using the screen recorder on here. In this section of the video, I'm talking about using the screen recorder app and the Voice Memo app on the iPad. Actually, the Voice Memo app stopped working after about 3 seconds. The screen recorder continued to run and record. So in the end, I synchronized the screen recording with the voice captured on the Samsung S20 phone. For the close-up shots, I used this DJI Osmo Nano, which was kind of pointing towards the iPad as I was writing on it. And every now and again, I would just pick it up and point it towards the iPad. I'll go around the other side of the table for the next bit. Otherwise, you get the bright light shining straight into the camera. This is the Neewer light, RGB light. I'll put the details again in the description. This has got buttons on the back where you can change the settings. You can pretty much set any color you like and any brightness you like. It goes up really bright at the moment. You can see it's on 60%, which is enough for infill. Got that on this metal camera mount here, which just expands out and holds a smartphone. Got that screwed into the SmallRig arm. And what I've done here is just opened the clamp up wide and then got the arm in a position so it's kind of tilting forward a little bit. And then with the weight of the light on top, it kind of pushes the weight of the camera into this clamp. And it's pretty stable. I haven't found it to be wobbly at all. And it just saves me having to invest in another tripod to get the light up a bit higher. So that's it. Fairly straightforward, simple setup. Hopefully you found this making of video interesting, useful. If you did, just let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.